guys, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're going to be sharing with you guys one of our secret tricks that we do to get some major hair growth. We know that a lot of you guys want hair growth, so we're going to let the secret out. So what we use is this scalp massager brush, or it's also known as a shampoo brush, and I'll link it in the description box below for you guys. But basically we massage our scalp when we're shampooing or conditioning our hair, and this helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. So there is a science behind it, but basically by getting blood circulation to your scalp, you are maximizing your hair growth and helping to get growth even faster. If you guys didn't know already, blood circulation is like mandatory for hair growth, period. Like, you need blood circulation in order for your hair to grow at all. And blood circulation is how the hair follicles get that oxygen, the nutrition, the minerals, and all that stuff to grow. And without blood circulation, your hair follicles actually die or become dull and inactive, which equals no growth. So the main thing you want to make sure is that you have blood circulation, or you're stimulating your scalp to get that blood circulation. It's also a really good brush for just making sure your scalp is clean and healthy and getting rid of any scalp problems that you have, like dandruff or product buildup that may be blocking your pores and hair follicles too, which could actually be preventing hair growth as well. So it's actually like a 2-in-1 brush. It's good for hair growth and it's good for cleansing as well. Another way we use this is when I'm doing his hair, either before I start styling his hair or by each section before I braid his hair. So I will pretty much use a hair growth oil like Jamaican black castor oil, or any type of oil that is meant to help promote hair growth. And in this video I'm using Jamaican black castor oil. I will link one in the description box below as well if you do want to purchase. But if you've watched our how to massage oils into your hair video, you know that he would massage oils into his hair with his fingertips to create that blood circulation. But a lot of times his hands got tired so quickly, so he wouldn't actually be doing it for a long time, which is kind of defeating the point. So now he just uses this brush and can massage it in a lot longer, which actually helps to get better results, better circulation, which means better hair growth. And regardless, it's not good if you're just putting oils in your hair. Now, if you're the type of person that is just putting oils in your hair and you're not massaging your scalp, that to me I find super useless, and it's pretty much a waste of your time unless you're using it for like dry scalp or anything like that. But if you're using it purposely to get hair growth, yeah, it will work, I guess, but it's not going to get you the growth that you want super fast. So in order to get fast hair growth, you need that blood circulation. That's because the nutrients and the minerals from the oils help to penetrate your scalp and your hair follicles a lot faster and easier if you have blood circulation. So I highly recommend that if you're serious about hair growth, like serious, you will do anything, use this at least 4 times a week. I would say every day, whether it's in the shower or it's with an oil, for about 5 minutes at least. 5 minutes, time it. I don't care what you do, make sure it's at least 5 minutes, nothing less. And you could definitely do it more as well, as long as you're not damaging your scalp or using it too harshly. But yeah, as you can see, it's really easy to just implement this into your day without going out of your way per se, because you're gonna have to moisturize, style, and wash your hair anyways. But trust me, you guys will end up seeing results a lot faster than if you weren't using this brush. So I highly recommend you guys at least try it out and see if it works for you. But yeah, share with us in the comments if you've heard about this brush before, if you've tried it. If not, comment some of the things you're currently doing to grow your hair. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a hair growth video. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!